So for 2020, Indian Motorcycles is quite exciting, quite excited about what's going to happen. Friends.
Well, the new Challenger behind us here, that's what people are coming to see. It's our first attempt at the liquid-cooled bagger segment. So a lot of people coming in, a lot of excitement about that bike right
A
there.
magnificent attempt.
Exactly.
It's not just an attempt, it's the next level, Brent.
Exactly.
Good.
Exactly.
When they come to the motorcycle show, they'll see that bike,
Yep.
but they'll see other things here as well.
Yeah, so we got our full segment. We got all the cruisers, all the baggers, all the touring bikes. So you got all the 2020 models, even the FTR, available to see, all the new color schemes.
There's a lot of chatter about motorcycle, the Indian motorcycle, and come to the motorcycle show to find out more about it. Look for this guy and ask him some questions. Thanks, Brent.
Awesome. Thanks, Peter.
Appreciate it.